Welcome back to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this part, we will learn practical optimization techniques for React and ASP.NET Core. You will discover tips to make your apps fast, scalable, and production ready. Optimization is key to delivering a smooth experience to users. Faster apps improve engagement, reduce server load, and ensure your application scales efficiently as traffic grows. React apps can slow down with large UI trees. Use React.memo to prevent unnecessary re-renders of components. Split your UI into smaller components and always use keys in list for efficient DOM updates. Lazy loading delays loading components until they are needed, reducing the initial bundle size. React.suspense provides a fallback UI while the component loads, perfect for large pages. Code splitting allows your app to load only what the user needs. Using Webpack or create React apps built-in features, you can split JavaScript into smaller bundles, speeding up initial load time. API performance is crucial. Debound search inputs, cache frequently used responses, batch request, and always use pagination when fetching large data sets from your ASP.NET Core backend. Every state update triggers a re-render. Minimize updates by storing only essential data in state, keep local state inside components, and lift state only when necessary. For production, run npm run build to create an optimized bundle with minified JS and assets. You can serve this folder directly from your ASP.NET Core project for the fastest performance. Backend optimization is equally important. Enable response caching, stream large datasets using iAsync enumerable, optimize your entity framework queries, and always use indexes on frequently queried database columns. Enable gzip or broadly compression in ASP.NET Core to reduce network payload. HTTP/2 improves request handling and serving static files efficiently ensures faster page loads. Monitoring is essential. Use Chrome Div tools to profile front-end performance and Visual Studio Profiler for back-end bottlenecks. Track slow queries, large assets, and optimize accordingly. Let us optimize our product dashboard. Lazy load components, paginate API data, cache results locally, and serve the React build through ASP.NET Core. The result? A faster, smoother user experience. To summarize, we covered front-end and back-end optimizations, lazy loading, code splitting, caching, and creating production-ready build. Following these tips ensure your full-stack apps are fast and scalable. In the next episode, we will build a real-world full-stack application using React and ASP.NET Core, putting everything we have learned so far into practice. If you found these optimization tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Don't miss the next tutorial where we will build a complete full stack application from scratch.